Hello and welcome to this tutorial and welcome to SAP Learning Academy. In this tutorial, I will be telling you how to implement loop using join in AMDP. So in this tutorial, I will be having two parts. One is in ABAP and the other one in AMDP. Because in ABAP, we can write the loop statements, but where in AMDP, it does not provide the loop concept because we are writing here the native SQL, but if you are using the SQL script, then it provides some looping concept like for loop and some conditional statements. But here in this case, I will be showing you this looping concept using select statement and join statement. Particularly, I'll be talking about the left outer join in this tutorial. So this left outer join can easily give you the result what this loop can provide in ABAP. So in this case, simply I will be taking an example on suppose material and price, and why we need loop. Suppose your material is stored in one table and price is stored in another table for that material. Suppose the next table, so in one table you have material and other attributes, and the other table is having the data like material and price, and now you want to loop that first table into the next table and you will populate the price into your result set. So what you have to do, simply you will be writing like loop at, and your first table name is suppose table 1, and then you will assigning the field symbol. So those I'm not writing in detail here. And then what you have to do, you have to do read table. You have to read the other table. Suppose your next table name is table 2, and here suppose your the column that you will be matching, that's the material. So you will be reading here also you can assign the the data into one variable, one field symbol, so that you can do. And what should be the condition, and here you have to write the condition it like suppose here your that field symbol name is fs2 and here that name is fs1. So here in this case you have to match like if fs2 of material equal to fs1 material, then if that matched, then you are going to take the price. So how the price from this fs2, so you will assign like fs1 so, and always there should be a price field. Just let me tell you again, and this price is suppose a blank value. You don't have the price in it, but here it will have the price. So your this fs1 price will be equal to your fs2 price, and then you will end the loop. Then you have to append the data, then you have to append this fs2 into your main table. So your that table is table 1, Sorry, here you have to append the fs1 actually, because you are updating here. Then you have to do just end loop, and that's the loop you write. But how we are going to achieve the same concept in MDP? So here also, suppose we have these two tables like table 1 and table 2 with having this same requirement, like you have to take the price from the next table, and here the price is suppose blank, and this table is having the correct price. So now what we are going to do, so we will write a select statement. Select, then just let me write it first, a dot material and b dot price. Then from your table 1, then you should write left outer join, in this case left outer join on table 2. So if you do that, then you have to write the condition on, and here you have to write like from table 1, that is A, defined by A, and the other one is B. So here you have to write like A dot material equal to B dot material. So, and if you execute this code, and it will also provide the same data what your this complete set of code will provide, because here it has used the concept of columnar page, because we can see that the complete data is just executed in one go. But here in this loop, it will be reading the data one by one, and it will check the next table. If the price is available, it will pick up the data. But here all the materials from both the tables are joined together and provided the price into the result fields. So that's the way actually you can implement this logic into your MDP, because if you're writing the native SQL in MDP, then you must use this left outer join, which can provide you this same same logic in MDP. So that's all, that's what I wanted to share in this tutorial, and thank you for watching this. And also please look into the other tutorials. I've given the links in the below description, and if you really like this tutorial, please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.